Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. There are moments in life when we feel exhausted. We make dua after dua, yet nothing seems to change. We pray for relief, but the hardship continues. We ask Allah for answers, but all we hear is silence. Perhaps you are going through such a moment right now. Maybe you've been waiting for a breakthrough in your finances. Maybe you're struggling with family issues, health challenges, loneliness, anxiety, or a dream that seems further away than ever before. And during those difficult moments, Shaitan whispers a dangerous thought: nothing is going to change. But today I want to remind you of something powerful. Allah never abandons His servants. The one who created the night also created the dawn. The one who sends the test is the same one who sends the relief. No hardship lasts forever, and no tear falls from your eyes except that Allah knows about it. Sometimes before Allah changes your situation, He sends signs to strengthen your heart. Signs that His help is near. Signs that your season of difficulty is coming to an end. Signs that better days are being prepared for you even when you cannot see them. Today, let us reflect on 3 big signs that good times may be closer than you think, and why every believer should never lose hope in the mercy of Allah. There are moments in life when the weight of your problems feels unbearable. You wake up carrying worries that follow you throughout the day and keep you awake at night. You look around and wonder why things are not changing. You pray, you make dua, you try your best, yet the challenges remain. The situation may seem exactly the same as it was yesterday, last month, or even last year. But sometimes the first sign that Allah is preparing something better for you is not that your circumstances change. It is that you begin to change. Many people think relief starts when the hardship disappears. They believe happiness will come when the debt is paid, when the illness is cured, when the relationship is restored, or when the opportunity finally arrives. But Allah, in His wisdom, often begins the process of relief by strengthening the heart before changing the situation. Think about who you were when the test first began. Perhaps you were overwhelmed by fear. Perhaps every setback felt like the end of the world. Perhaps every delay made you anxious, and every difficulty made you question how you would continue. Yet as time passed, something started happening within you. You became more patient. You became more thoughtful. You became more aware of your dependence on Allah. The same problem that once made you panic now pushes you towards prayer. The same challenge that once filled your heart with anxiety now reminds you to raise your hands in dua. The same difficulty that once seemed impossible has become a reason for you to remember Allah more often. You begin to realize that your strength was never coming from your circumstances. It was always coming from Allah. The problem may still exist, but your ability to carry it has increased. The storm may still be around you, but your heart is no longer shaking the way it used to. Sometimes Allah does not immediately remove the mountain in front of you. Instead, He teaches you how to climb it. Sometimes He does not instantly calm the waves around you. Instead, He strengthens your faith so that you can sail through them. The test remains, but you are no longer the same person facing it. You start noticing changes within yourself. You become less attached to the opinions of people and more concerned about your relationship with Allah. You become less focused on what you have lost and more grateful for what still remains. You begin to understand that every hardship contains lessons that comfort could never teach. The people around you may not even notice these changes. They may still see the same person dealing with the same problems. But Allah sees the growth taking place within your heart. He sees every tear that brought you closer to Him. He sees every night you turned to Him when no one else understood your pain. He sees every moment you chose patience when anger would have been easier. He sees every act of worship you performed while carrying burdens that nobody knew about. There are believers who look back years later and realize that their greatest growth happened during their hardest seasons. They discover that the very period they wanted to escape was the period that transformed them. The difficulty taught them humility. It taught them gratitude. It taught them trust. It taught them sincerity. It taught them that Allah's plan is always greater than their own. Sometimes Allah delays the solution because He is preparing the person who will receive that solution. He is building wisdom before success. He is building patience before victory. He is building character before blessings. Because if certain blessings arrive too early, we might not have been ready for them. When hardship begins producing patience instead of panic, when trials begin increasing your faith instead of destroying it, when you find yourself turning to Allah more than before, when your heart becomes softer despite everything you have faced, these are not small changes. These are signs that Allah is working within you. in ways that cannot yet be seen by the eyes. One of the most beautiful signs that good times are approaching is when Allah begins opening doors you never expected. Not the doors you planned, not the opportunities you spent years imagining, not the solutions you carefully designed in your mind, but doors that could only have been opened by the one who controls every affair in the heavens and the earth. Many of us become attached to a specific outcome. We decide exactly how our problems should be solved. We create a picture in our minds and convince ourselves that relief can only arrive in one particular way. When that path closes, we feel disappointed. When that opportunity disappears, we become discouraged. When our plans fall apart, we think our hopes have fallen apart with them. But Allah's wisdom is far greater than our imagination. There are moments when a person stands before a closed door and believes it is the end of the journey. They cry because they lost an opportunity. They feel broken because something they wanted did not happen. They question why Allah allowed that door to close. Yet months later, sometimes years later, they look back and realize that the closed door was actually protection. What they thought was a loss was a mercy. What they thought was a setback was guidance. What they thought was rejection was Allah redirecting them towards something better. The believer learns that Allah sees what we cannot see. We only see today, but Allah sees tomorrow. We only see one path, but Allah sees every path. We only see the immediate disappointment, but Allah sees the hidden blessing behind it. This is why one of the signs that better days are coming is that unexpected opportunities begin appearing in your life. Perhaps you meet someone who offers advice at exactly the right moment. Perhaps a conversation changes your perspective. Perhaps a chance encounter leads to something beneficial. Perhaps an opportunity arrives that you never even prayed for because it never crossed your mind. And when these things happen, you begin to realize that Allah has been arranging matters behind the scenes all along. While you were worrying, Allah was preparing. While you were waiting, Allah was planning. While you were wondering how things would work out, Allah was creating solutions beyond your imagination. Think about the stories of the prophets. Again and again, relief came from directions nobody expected. When people believed there was no escape, Allah created one. When every worldly possibility seemed exhausted, divine help arrived. This teaches us that Allah is never limited by the circumstances that limit us. Sometimes a person loses one source of income only to discover a better opportunity later. Sometimes a disappointment in a relationship protects them from years of regret. Sometimes a delay that felt painful becomes the reason they receive something far better than what they originally wanted. At first, these events may seem unrelated. They may appear to be small coincidences, but the believer understands that there are no coincidences in the plan of Allah. Every meeting, every opportunity, every delay, every opening and every closure happens according to His wisdom. There are times when Allah removes something from your life because it is preventing you from reaching something greater. There are times when He allows a plan to fail because success through that plan would have harmed you. There are times when He closes one road because another road contains blessings you have not yet discovered. This is why despair has no place in the heart of a believer. As long as Allah is in control, possibilities always exist. As long as Allah is the one managing your affairs, your future cannot be defined by your current circumstances. You may not see the entire picture today. You may not understand why certain things happened. You may not know where your next breakthrough will come from. But Allah knows. The one who brought countless blessings into your life before can bring countless blessings into your life again. And often before a major change arrives, Allah begins sending small signs. A new opportunity appears, a burden becomes lighter, a solution begins to take shape, a path that seemed impossible starts becoming clearer, a door you never noticed before suddenly opens, and you realize that while you were focused on the doors that closed, Allah had already prepared another entrance that was waiting for the perfect moment. Perhaps the greatest sign that good times are coming is not something happening around you, but something happening within you. It is when your relationship with Allah becomes stronger than it has ever been before. Many people spend their lives chasing worldly signs of success. They look for changes in their bank account, their career, their health, or their circumstances. Yet one of the most precious gifts Allah can give a believer is a heart that becomes attached to Him. There is something remarkable about hardship. It has a way of removing illusions. During times of ease, it is easy to become distracted. We become busy with our routines, our goals, and our daily concerns. We begin to rely on our own abilities, our own plans, and our own understanding. But when a test enters our lives, it reminds us of a reality we often forget. We are completely dependent upon Allah. Suddenly, the things we once relied upon no longer provide comfort. The people we expected to solve our problems cannot solve them. The resources we trusted seem limited. The plans we carefully designed begin to fall apart. And in that moment, a believer turns toward the one who never fails, the one who never sleeps, the one whose power has no limits. At first, the prayers may come from desperation. The tears may come from pain. The dua may come from a place of weakness. But as time passes, something beautiful begins to happen. What started as a search for relief slowly becomes a deeper connection with Allah. You begin praying not only because you need something, but because you find peace in standing before your Creator. You begin making dua not only when you are struggling, but because speaking to Allah becomes a source of comfort. You begin reading the Quran and discovering verses that feel as though they were revealed specifically for your situation. Words you may have read many times before suddenly carry new meaning. A verse about patience touches your heart differently because now you understand patience. A verse about trust in Allah feels more powerful because you have experienced moments when trust was all you had. A verse about Allah's mercy brings tears to your eyes because you have seen how often His mercy carried you through difficulties. The believer starts noticing that Allah is drawing them closer. There are nights when they wake up and make dua with sincerity they never had before. There are moments when they remember Allah in situations where they previously would have forgotten Him. There is a growing awareness that Allah is present in every aspect of life. This closeness is one of the greatest treasures a person can ever receive. Many people receive worldly blessings but remain distant from Allah. They achieve success, wealth, recognition, and comfort, yet their hearts remain empty. They have everything they wanted, but they lack the peace that comes from knowing their Creator. The believer who grows closer to Allah gains something far greater. They gain a source of peace that does not depend on circumstances. Their heart becomes anchored to the one who controls all circumstances. When your connection with Allah becomes stronger, you begin viewing life differently. Delays no longer destroy your hope because you trust Allah's timing. Difficulties no longer convince you that you are abandoned because you know Allah is always near. Closed doors no longer make you despair because you believe Allah's wisdom is greater than your understanding. You start finding comfort in worship. You begin appreciating moments of solitude with Allah. The prayer mat becomes a place of refuge rather than a routine obligation. Dua becomes a conversation filled with hope rather than mere words spoken out of habit. Sometimes people ask why Allah allows certain hardships to continue for so long. One of the answers may be that the hardship is producing a relationship with Allah that comfort never could. The test becomes a means through which the servant discovers sincerity, humility, gratitude, patience, and reliance upon Allah. Many believers can look back on the hardest periods of their lives and honestly say that those were the moments when they felt closest to Allah. Their hearts became softer, their faith became stronger, their understanding deepened, the dependence upon Allah increased. What seemed like a season of loss was actually a season of spiritual growth. What appeared to be a delay was actually an invitation to draw nearer to Allah. What looked like hardship on the outside was creating strength, wisdom, and faith on the inside. And when Allah begins drawing a servant closer to Him, it is never without purpose. The one who guides your heart toward prayer, fills your tongue with remembrance, opens your hands in sincere dua, and increases your trust in Him, is preparing you for blessings that require a stronger heart, a deeper faith, and a closer connection to the one from whom every blessing comes, my dear brothers and sisters. If there is one message to take away from today's reminder, it is this: never judge Allah's plan by your current circumstances. Just because the night is dark does not mean the sunrise is not coming. Just because the test is difficult does not mean Allah has forgotten you. Just because the answer has been delayed does not mean your dua has been ignored. Remember the 3 signs we reflected upon today. When hardship begins strengthening you instead of breaking you, when unexpected doors begin opening in ways you never imagined, and when your relationship with Allah grows deeper and stronger, these are not random events. These are signs that Allah is preparing something within you and for you. Sometimes we become so focused on what we are waiting for that we fail to notice what Allah is already doing. We keep looking ahead while Allah is quietly transforming our hearts, increasing our faith, building our patience, and preparing blessings that are beyond our imagination. Trust Allah even when you cannot trace His plan. Trust Allah when the road ahead seems unclear. Trust Allah when the answers do not come as quickly as you hoped. Trust Allah when every door appears closed. Because the one who created your difficulty also created your relief. The The one who knows your tears knows exactly when to replace them with smiles. The one who hears every dua whispered in the darkness of the night is never unaware of what you are carrying in your heart. Perhaps the breakthrough you are waiting for is closer than you think. Perhaps the prayer you have repeated countless times is already on its way to being answered. Perhaps the chapter that will make you understand all the delays, all the struggles, and all the unanswered questions is being written by Allah right now. So do not give up. Do not lose hope. Do not allow Shaitan to convince you that your situation will never change. Keep praying, keep trusting, keep worshipping, keep moving forward. And no matter how heavy life feels today, remember that Allah's mercy is greater than your worries, Allah's wisdom is greater than your understanding, and Allah's power is greater than every problem you face. May Allah ease every hardship, answer every sincere dua, fill our hearts with unwavering faith, and grant us the ability to trust Him in every season of life. Ameen.